Oh, right! This bar is awesome! But where is everyone? It's party time! Woo!
What the hell are you doing?
I'm just trying to get the guys down here for a night out.
Okay, I get that it's a pain in the ass, but relax, Granddad. There's an easier way to do this. Just click to HOWL the pack of your friends, say where you are, write a message, and boom. The app lets everyone know.
Sweet.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, no. Nope.
Oh, right, so the guys are on their way. That was easy.
Actually, it says Matt's here already. He's checked in.
Boo!
Ah!
Shots are definitely on you. I nearly my pants.
You're not wearing any pants.